Hi.
Hi.
It's the beautiful.
And the bearded.
Beautiful on the inside.
Oh,
It's been a long COVID and he is not groomed. Welcome to beautiful Belfort, BC again.
Belfort, British Columbia.
Belfort, British Columbia. We're at the cabin, the lake house, and just enjoying a bit of crafting. We showed you that last week, but we thought while we were here, we would show you
the cabin itself.
The cabin itself, because we painted and we did a lot of work and we had lots of friends and family that came and helped as well. So
lots of good times.
Yeah, do you hear that though? It's birdies. It's nature.
Several species of birds, I believe.
And it's beautiful.
We have, I can hear woodpeckers, I can hear chickadees. We have eagles out here and, what are they called? Osprey. Osprey.
The osprey?
Yeah.
Osprey? What are the big ones? The cranes?
Fish.
Are they cranes? Oh,
Heron.
Bald eagles. Last year we got some incredible, you know what? Let's show a video or a picture of that beautiful bald eagle that was on the beach.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know where she's going to put it.
Somewhere here. We do have neighbors, so I don't care. But Landon, you're being really quiet. Are you embarrassed?
Yeah. You got to respect the neighbors, you know?
Oh, that's all fun about YouTube, right? But what kind of fish do you catch here?
You catch trout. There's whitefish in there. There's some jackfish somewhere in there.
Oh.
Pike, as it were.
I just thought I'd ask that. Anyways, enjoy. We'll show you the renovations that we've done so far, the befores and afters, and we can't wait to see you again and show you more from out here at the beautiful cabin.
Yeah, and watch future episodes for summertime at the cabin.
Summertime. Hi. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah. You know what? We're on holidays, day one. Yay!
Guess what we're doing?
Guess what we're doing?
Painting.
Yeah, painting. His beard is a problem.
The rag fixes that. Also, these are problems.
Those are.
Let's not get into it.
Let's not get into it today. We've had some family helping us with a bit of the primer already, and we're gonna maybe hopefully finish the primer today. What do you think?
I think we will.
I think we will. Yeah. All right, so it's Tuesday of our week off, and we have decided that this is going to be the last day that we work. So I cleaned the house and I arranged the outdoor area, and now I'm chilling in the outdoor area. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Someone's kayaking. That's pretty cool. Look at how pretty it is. And Landon's still working. Hey, babe.
Hi. What's wrong with this picture?
I know. I'm done. I worked so hard too, you know.
I know.
You just were slower.
Yeah.
But I will show you. He had to do the tricky section. This area. From down there. So good job. I'm pretty proud of you.
Thank you.
Just a tiny little bit left and we're all done priming. Yay.
Yay. Good.
Once we're done. Day 327 of painting. Hey, babe?
Pardon?
I said day 320 something of painting.
Yeah. Yeah, no doubt.
It's not, but it feels like it today because it is hot, hot, hot. How are you doing up there, babe?
I'm also hot, hot, hot.
You're looking hot, hot, hot. Oh, baby, oh, baby. Happy Saturday! Happy Saturday!
Happy Saturday!
Where's the ferry? There it is. The little ferry's going by right now. We're getting set up to paint. And you can't do painting in, what's the temperature? 30 degrees?
Yep, everybody meet
Mr.
Mister.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. We've decided to start on the hottest side of the house. Seems like a good idea. Solid?
Solid.
That's it.
So that's it.
That was last summer's big project. Gosh, that took us like all summer, didn't it?
It did.
We started, gosh, COVID happened and we're like, let's paint the house this year. And I
Yep.
envisioned it after over like a weekend. I'm sure it took all summer.
Wow, we worked on it, yeah, for weekends and after hours and
Forever.
a long time with lots of
Forever.
help.
And high places you had to go. You had to go. I wasn't going up high.
Scaffolding, you won't regret it.
But yeah, there's the old wine, and we can't wait to share that with ourselves and our friends and family. I'd say you, but we're not sharing it with you. We only get so many.
It's true. Anyway, shout out to Len Thompson. Go fishing, you know, this is a great place to come if you want to come fishing too. Bring your Lennies.
Bring your Len Thompsons. You caught a couple fish last year.
I
With
did.
a kayak.
Yeah, kayak fish even. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little Lenny.
A Lenny.
Yep.
I don't know anything about fishing. You know what I do? I go beside him on the kayak while you fish.
That's
and then
right.
I sit there and then he yells at me, it's time to go in. It's time to go in. Should you tell him that story?
Well, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
So
I wanted
we
to
were out
kayak.
there, let me tell you. So it was last October, it was our last kayak of the year, and we got out on the water. Of course it's cold, right? It's already cold. We get out on the water, we start going upstream towards the big lake, and we're looking over our shoulder, and the clouds are starting to come in, and I said, this
Not
is
we.
not...
Him.
I was looking over my shoulder at the clouds, because they're always coming in from this way out towards the big lake. And I was like, we shouldn't do this. Like, we should go in because it's this could be dangerous. Anyways, you get out into the big lake and the clouds they're coming. The wind's starting to pick up, and she's like, "Oh, it's a long ways off," and la-di-da, going nice and
It was
slow.
so nice. It was like
kayaking,
it
hanging
was
out
just
out
about
there.
fall. I think it was October maybe, and I was like, "Oh,
I
it's
said
just
October already."
the air's so fresh. It's so nice." And we're out there, and I'm just enjoying my coffee. Maybe I don't know.
And then you get hit in the face with a snowflake, and then the wind starts coming, and it's like, okay, it's time to go back. Like, you can get in a lot of trouble out there, a lot of trouble. And she's just like she is now, a big smile, like, no, not a care in the world. And we start coming back, and she's like barely paddling.
was
And I'm
paddling.
like, no, we gotta go. And she's
La, 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 la.
like that,
Okay, that isn't what I was.
and
saying.
I'm like,
It's
go.
not at all what I was like. But regardless, a storm came up quick, and I gotta tell you, it was hard.
Yeah.
And I probably looked like I was
Waves.
barely paddling by that point because the current was coming so strong that literally it took every bit of your muscle. And the minute you stopped for a second, you were like flying backwards and sideways,
Yeah.
and like it
there were
was,
waves, like she'd be in the valley of the wave, and I couldn't see her.
it was nuts.
Yeah.
He was right, and it was quite funny. We came back completely soaked head to toe, and he won't let me forget that one. But it was
Wow, she won't let us forget.
quite a
that.
story, but it was pretty terrifying because there was a bit of time there where I was like, I'm not gonna make it. This is hard.
Yeah, I thought I'm gonna have to hook a tow line on.
Imagine the ocean like that.
Yeah.
He's like, come on, you can do it.
And I was like, come on, you need to do it.
You're
Yeah.
very motivational, even though you're mad at me. I told you so. I told you so.
I saved that till we got to shore. Okay, well, until next time, I'm the bearded.
No, that's not how it goes.
What do we do?
Till next time.
She's beautiful.
Oh, stay beautiful on the inside where it matters the most.
Stay bearded.
You're twerp.
Sometimes I forget.
You're twerp.
Goodbye.
I don't even see. I'm going.
This one's called Ballad of a Teenage Queen. It's the prettiest girl that I've ever seen. It's Christina's song. But it's written by Jack Clement, sung by John Cash. Dream on, teenage queen, prettiest girl we've ever seen. There's a story in our town of the prettiest girl